This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make avocado toast. First, let's gather our virtual ingredients in Toca Boca. Head to the kitchen and find a slice of bread, often found in a basket or toaster. Next, locate a fresh, green avocado, typically in the fruit bowl or refrigerator. Don't forget to grab a plate for serving and a knife for preparing your ingredients. Finally, make sure you have salt and pepper shakers ready to add some delicious flavor to your creation. Now that you have your ingredients, let's get cooking. Drag your one slice of bread to the toaster and watch it transform into a perfectly golden piece of toast. While that's toasting, take your avocado to the cutting board. Use the knife to carefully slice it in half, then scoop out all the delicious green flesh. Grab a fork and mash the avocado until it's smooth and creamy, ready for spreading. With your toast ready and avocado mashed, it's time to assemble. Gently spread the creamy mashed avocado all over your warm, golden brown toast. Make sure to cover it from edge to edge for maximum deliciousness. Next, grab your salt shaker and add a small pinch, about 1/4 of a teaspoon, to taste. Follow that with a dash of pepper, perhaps 2 or 3 grinds, to give your toast a lovely, subtle kick. Your avocado toast is almost complete, but now comes the fun part: customization. Toca Boca offers many options, like tiny cherry tomatoes, a fried egg, or even some spicy chili flakes. Drag your favorite toppings onto your toast to make it uniquely yours. Once it looks perfect, place your masterpiece on a clean plate. You can then serve it to one of your Toca Boca friends, or simply enjoy your delicious, homemade creation yourself. It's a fantastic snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.